Hi, welcome to Mini Shorts. Right, just inside the car here, just leaning over this spray can because we've got that arch fully in position. So just sprayed along there where we've got the holes that will be plug welding, so I can take off the black on the wheel arch, and then we'll obviously put weld through on that, and we'll be able to weld to it. So basically just using this to mark up where we're at. Right, so quick look at what that looks like. Then we'll get this cleaned up, and this bracket here, I'm going to plug weld from the outside because access from inside the boot is terrible. But the rest of it we'll plug weld from the inside. Looks quite good in black and gold. Right guys, just update on where we're at. So I spot welded along here, all along this edge here, so that's going well. And welcome to my first ever plug welds. So you can see here we're plugging onto that bracket that's on the inside. The access from the inside is terrible, especially on the jig, so I decided I would drill from this side. Unfortunately just misaligned slightly there, but that's not going to be a problem. And we are a little bit away from the bracket on these two, trying to get round there to hammer the bracket towards us. But as you can see, if we look in here, it's right round there, and I can't really hammer it very easily, but yeah, we'll get that a little bit closer somehow, and join me back when I'm plug welding them. Right, so here we go. Let's try to put these last 4 plug welds in. That one's turned out quite well. Yeah, happy with that one. On that one, the edge behind was starting to disappear, so we had to build up a bit more metal. It will need a bit of grinding here. This one's going to be the same. Just going to try and put a bit of copper on the inside of that one. So we just added the copper in there. Might help. Adding that copper might help just stop the edge running away quite so much. Clean up a bit of the extra length and a bit of a spatter on the end of the welder there. We've got a tiny hole at the bottom there. Just a tiny hole just there. We need to catch that. And there we go, she's in. Oh, there's a little hole there actually, on a previous one. It just needs grinding down now. Right, that's all for today. Thanks guys.